Hi, Triple Threat, Ferly here, and welcome to our YouTube channel, the place to be if you want to learn how to dance and experience greatness in it. Today, I'm going to teach you how to shuffle. Make sure you like this video and subscribe below, okay? Let's get started. I'm gonna give you a side view first, because I think it's a little bit easier to learn that way, and then I'll face you, okay? So you want to start by picking up, let's say your right foot right now. You're going to land that right foot in front as you hop with your left foot back. So like this, boom. You want to land nice and centered, okay? You don't wanna land forward, you don't wanna land back. You wanna land nice and centered, cool? From here, we're gonna switch feet. So that foot that's in front, you're going to hop and bring it right underneath you as you pick up your left foot. Boom. That foot that's in the air, you're going to land, and what do you do with the other foot? You're gonna go back with it, right? Land in the middle, and then you bring that left foot, the one in front of you, back towards you, right under you, as you pick up your right foot. So that's two. Let's do that again. One, land in the middle, bring that right foot in, two, other side. One, bring it in towards you, two. Cool? Now, even as you're doing it slow, keep a slight bend on your knees. You'll need it, especially for speed. So don't get used to straightening your knees because it doesn't really happen, okay? Slight bend. Here we go. Take it forward. One, bring it back. Two, take it forward. One, bring it back. Two, take it forward. One, bring it back. Two. One, bring it back. Two. Then we're going to add a little bit of speed. One forward, two, bring it back. One forward, two, bring it back. Make sure on one, you're always landing center. Your weight is not forward, it's not back, it's really center. Two, if anything, you're really light on your front toes. You wanna be mostly on the back of your shoe. Two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. Now, as you're getting it, I wanna make sure that this doesn't turn into the running man. Running man is a really cool step, but we'll leave that for another day, okay? We're shuffling right now. So if you bend your front knee, it starts looking like the running man, right? We want the knees to look straight. We already know they have a slight bend, especially to protect you and to give you speed, but both legs look straight. So that's the difference, main difference. And your weight distribution. Running man, you're forward, shuffle, you're in the middle. Ta, ta, ta. So you see how light I am on my front foot? Ta. On the toes, ha, 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 ha. Cool? We're gonna try it with music because it's always more fun. Let's do it. You hear it? We're gonna start slow first and then we'll speed it up. Ready? 5. Pick up your right foot. 1, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Speed it up. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Good. Let's get a front view, okay? Now I want you to watch this video really quick. Watch this. So the challenge is to push your body. I think of like my hips and my spine is to push your body through space without leaning, because otherwise it's going to become the running man, right? So you want to push your body in space as you're evenly distributing your weight right here. So really, really where you travel is on this chug. Ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, boom. And then that chug again takes you back. Chug, chug, chug. Does that make sense? So we're just gonna take 4 to the front and 4 to the back, and we'll end it right here. Let's give it a try. Ready? With music. Right foot up. We'll try slow. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. You go 1, forward, 1, forward, 1, forward, 1. Now take it back. 1, back, 1, back, 1, back. Now speed it up. And forward, forward, forward. Forward and back, 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 and forward, 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 and back, 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 back. That's it. All right, Triple Threat, you did it. Keep practicing. Dance is all about practicing. Come back to this video as many times as you need to conquer this step, all right? Shuffle away, Triple Threat. We'll see you next class.